In a vast savannah, under the golden sun, lived a little hartebeest named Hartley. Hartley was different from the other hartebeests. He was smaller and had a peculiar coat of spots. One day, Hartley noticed a small bush was burning. He was worried. He knew the other animals relied on the bush for food and shelter. So, he decided to help. With a heart full of courage, Hartley ran towards the burning bush. The flames were high, but Hartley didn't care. He was determined to save the bush. Reaching the bush, Hartley found a small stream nearby. He dipped his horn into the water and ran back to the bush. He repeated this several times, dousing the flames little by little. The other animals watched in awe as Hartley bravely saved their home. The sun set, and the savannah was filled with applause. Hartley, tired but happy, joined the others for a peaceful night under the starry sky. The next day, the savannah was filled with gratitude for Hartley. They realized that even though he was small, he had a big heart. From that day forward, Hartley was looked up to as a hero, a brave little hartebeest. And so, the story of Hartley reminds us that no matter how small we may seem, we can all make a big difference if we have a big heart. Good night, dear children. Sweet dreams.